Looking to get out of your house and do something different? Walk the YYC is Calgary's only pay what you want free tour company. That's right, you take a tour with us and at the end, you pay what you want. It's that simple. We believe entertainment should only cost what you believe it's worth. We also believe in ourselves and think it's okay to work for your hard earned money. Our guides are passionate people who work exclusively for your tips. They will entertain you while giving you some mind blowing facts about Calgary's history. Calgary went from a peaceful place where humans, bison, and two rivers converged to truly becoming the Wild West. A place where two mayors fought in the streets, a city councilor owned a bar during Prohibition, the fire chief threatened to run down the police with a fire truck, and even the Sundance Kid lived here. With stories like these, whether it's your first day in the city or you're born and raised, we guarantee you will enjoy yourself. If you don't, it's free. When you do enjoy it, simply show your appreciation to the guide by tipping them whatever you think it is worth. You can show your appreciation to the company by reviewing us on TripAdvisor. Your 5-star reviews help us attract more guests. Now, some ask, don't you get what you pay for? A paid tour that costs $50 must be better than a free one, right? We don't think so. Would you rather a company that has the confidence to empower you and a guide who needs to work for your money rather than one who gets paid either way? How about simply choose the award-winning company? Walk the YYC is the winner of the 2020 TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Award. So take your first steps today by logging on to walktheyyc.com and experience a tour company that works for you.